Just about now.
Yep, blown right out of the ocean. Richard, Los Angeles. Hey, yeah, I'm very bullish on Tron, crypto, and BitTorrent. So the problem that I do see from investors in cryptos, they want an overnight lottery win, and that does not really work. When you invest, you could be a millionaire, but it depends on risk and rewards and your time horizon. And with crypto, which I really started opening up and warmed up to several months ago, and I was skeptical about it in the past, but I see it as a way for me to be financially independent. But you got to have money to make money. And I don't expect to make a killing overnight. So you have to buy low and then sell high. So that being said, I'm really bullish on BitTorrent. I do plan to buy BitTorrent, and it's trading for less than a penny. So I won't go into what it's trading right now, but it's on CoinMarketCap, and it's like 0.002, similar to Dogecoin back in January. And I see BitTorrent will go up as high as Dogecoin. I do not know. The good thing that I like about Tron and BitTorrent is that it's international. It's not only in the, it utilizes its enterprises in the Asian market, but they do plan to penetrate the US market too as well. And I know that some other countries are having a lot of issues with cryptos. So, that's in their own world, but the Asian market is really, really big. Singapore, the Philippines, China, India, it's really colossal. So, and then once it gets into the US, and you could buy Tron on eToro, and I have the referral link down below, and you can earn rewards. So every 30 days, I'm earning rewards. But Tron right now, the price movement hit 12 cents several days ago. I bought it in at 3 cents a unit. So, I've 4x'd. But, I buy and hold, and you got to buy a lot in order to hit the bigger numbers. So, with just 9,000 units, if it hits $1, I'm looking at $9,000. So is that a lot of money? No, it's not. So you have to buy a lot, and it's good to buy it really cheap where it is right now, BitTorrent and Tron. And the other thing with investors and these cryptos and these other YouTubers, you got to realize that there's a lot going on behind the closed doors. So, Justin Sun is really busy, and he's got a lot of ambition to take Tron and BitTorrent to a higher level. He actually acquired BitTorrent back in September of 2020. And then once we get out of the current situation and more jobs are being created, then the crypto investors that do get employed, that are not employed right now, they stand to make a lot more money as investing in cryptos, and then you'll see a higher price movement in the crypto world. And then, so that's a lot. That's a whole mouthful. I don't know how else. I'm not. The disclaimer here is that I'm not advising anyone to buy anything on my channel. But if you can just help support me by hitting the like button, the dislike button, the subscription, the subscribe, help my channel grow. I want to get it over to 1,000 members, so that way I can do live videos and it'd really work out better for my channel. So, share my channel with your friends and help this channel grow. But for me, I'm really bullish on Tron. Tron is really, really, really cheap. It's around 10 cents to 11 cents. And I do plan to invest a lot of it this coming next 6 months, as much as I can buy, and I'm going to watch it explode. When a lot of I see that there's a lot of criticism towards Justin Sun, but you can't look at it that way. You have to realize what happens behind the closed doors, meetings, phone calls, emails, and the ambition that this person has. It's huge because he sees it in a different light, and as an investor, I can see it the same way. The global payment methods is a multi-trillion-dollar economy. He wants to get into the payment system. And then not only that, with the blockchain, he's already into NFTs. So, and there's a lot more. I mean, I've already spent the last, 4 minutes, having this spiel, and I'm probably boring you, but stay with me. I wanted to go over some news articles, but you can see here that Tron is trading around 10.5 cents right now. And I like it. I mean, I just love this crypto. So it has interoperability capabilities. It's cheap to mine. The fees are cheap. It's not like Ethereum, where everybody's complaining about this outrageous gas fees when you trade on Ethereum. So you go and you buy $1,000, you're going to have to spend $40, $50, $60 in gas fees. That's outrageous. And supposedly there's a lot of hype, with the creator of Ethereum. And then my studies have shown that Ethereum is not all what it's cracked up to be. With Tron, it can process about 35 units per second. I think it can go higher. And, Bitcoin 4 or 5 per cycle. I don't know. It just doesn't make sense to me, where one crypto is getting all the hype, the money rewards, and yet, a lot of the lower scaled cryptos are not getting the hype that it should deserve. But for me, I'm all in. I'm bullish on Tron. It's probably one of my most focal points this year in investing in Tron. And I do see greater things happening, and especially with the explosion of NFTs. So again, NFTs exploded about months ago, 6 months ago, 5 months ago. And, Justin Sun did not wait. I mean, he just right away got into that whole market with his blockchain. So, also, I'm glad you stayed on board with me. There is something happening with BitTorrent in October 30. On October 30, I do not know what it is. I saw it on a channel earlier today, and there's some sort of like a drop or something really big with BitTorrent. And it's, I think, around October 30, October 31st, this year, 2021. So if you stayed with me, you got some valuable news there right then and there. So I do plan to buy BitTorrent, but you can only buy it on Binance, I guess. And I have a Binance account, but I'm having problems with it. So, but There's something going on around October 30, 2021. And then the Tron Foundation really got into NFTs. Tron Foundation and Valkyrie Investments are about to jointly establish Valkyrie Tron Trust. That's big news. And so, so that's really good news. There's a growing followings of followers on the Twitter accounts. It's growing, and then there's more NFT collaborations. You can see there, Tron Meebits. So it's pretty much straightforward, Let's go into this article. According to tronscan.org, the total number of accounts on Tron has surpassed 54 million. Right now it's trading around $3 billion global market. Imagine if it goes up to 35 billion, 40 billion like Dogecoin. And as this gets more traction, imagine how much it will shoot from 10 cents. It can easily go to $1. It's unbelievable. I don't see the support, the news support. The other YouTubers are, giving Tron this kind of news. Here, Bored Ape Tron Club, rare mutant ape of Warren Buffett, just sold for 75,000 TRX. So, and he's friends with Warren Buffett. So let me get into this article. Okay. Okay. I got to focus this. I don't have equipment. I do have a PayPal account. I do need to get equipment. If you want to support me so that way I can get equipment, this TV is going out. I would greatly appreciate it. And I would definitely provide a shout out on my channel to whoever can provide funds for me to get a computer and also a TV monitor. And, I'll definitely do a shout out. So here, Justin Sun gives full effort to build a DeFi ecosystem, and participants of Tron-based mining receives $450 million rewards. Since 2020, Tron has increased its investment in building DeFi to enhance its leading position further and to achieve its founding aspiration, which is to deliver the benefits of a thriving ecosystem to its users. As a gesture of support, Tron founder and BitTorrent CEO Justin Sun invested a total of $450 million to reward DeFi miners, underlining his determination to pull out all the stops to grow the DeFi ecosystem. Today, let's recap on the milestone in Justin Sun's heavy investment in Tron's DeFi ecosystem. See, that's not peanuts. It's 450 million US dollars. Wow, that's very ambitious. Okay, so on September 2, 2020, Genesis Mining of Sun, token known as the Bitcoin in the Tron ecosystem, was launched. Sun is positioned to be an integral part of Tron's DeFi ecosystem, covering decentralized lending, insurance, liquidity, stablecoins, and other services. Meanwhile, running on the virtual machine of Tron's public chain based on smart contracts. Sun tokens are highly interconnected with DeFi projects. Tron's DeFi ecosystem has unarguably more significant potential than Ethereum. Okay, did you get that? Sun's DeFi ecosystem has unarguably more significant potential than Ethereum. That's what I just said 5 minutes ago. So if you guys are here with me going this long into my videos, I'm providing you with some really some valuable information. Okay, so let's move on. Plagued by network congestion and high gas fees. That's what I just said 5 minutes ago with Ethereum, high gas fees. To some extent, the launch of Sun marks the migration of the booming DeFi liquidity mining movement from Ethereum to Tron. Wow. This is the first time I'm reading this. I haven't read it. I'm reading this freshly off the page with you. Wow, that is amazing. From Ethereum to Tron. Now, I'm not going to talk about Ethereum right now. That's a total different video. But I mean, Tron trading at 10 cents and with all this potential, what it's going to be 6 months from now? I mean, literally like a month from now. This is really huge. Okay. Tron has successfully created new rounds of hype around mining since it shipped Century Mining. This campaign also saw an active engagement of many projects, including BTC ST, the star project of Binance Launchpool, and NFT, which is committed to registering world-class artworks as NFTs on blockchain. After launching liquidity mining, they garnered significant attention from the market with juicy mining rewards and optimal experience. Tron's Century Mining consists of 3 phases, lasting from March 8, 2021 to June 7, 2021. This DeFi mining campaign boasts the most incredible input, the highest rewards, and the most comprehensive coverage in the industry. A total of 70 million prizes were distributed in TRX, WBTT, WIN, JST, and Sun, Old, etc. Over 3 mining rounds, Tron Century Mining has achieved a record high TVL of over $5.8 billion, which accounts for 40% of the total TVL of Tron's DeFi projects. Unbelievable. That's huge. None of us have $3 billion in our bank accounts. And I don't know, that's a lot of money. As Tron Century Mining draws to a perfect end, Sun platform undergoes a token of redomination and platform upgrade and commits itself to be Tron's first one-stop platform featuring stablecoin swap, token mining, and self-governance. Justin Sun dedicated 5 billion Sun tokens to mining participants and VCRV holders, lasting for 5 years. The unprecedented reward, unprecedented, got to pick up on these words. It hasn't been done before, is designed to deliver tangible benefits of Tron's ecosystem growth to all participants. In the meantime, to maintain diversity of Tron's DeFi ecosystem, continue providing DeFi mining opportunities with low entry barriers and generous returns, and meet users' demands for a premium mining platform. Tron Foundation has launched mining on a lending platform, Just Lend, and LP liquidity mining on Just Swap. Now, the 4th round is in full swing. Stats on TronScan, a blockchain browser, show that the total value locked on Tron at one point exceeded 10 billion, 0.9 billion. Wow. As a premium public chain that strikes a better balance between performance, security, ecosystems, and other aspects, Tron has built a closed loop of the DeFi ecosystem and has become a mainstream DeFi protocol in the industry. It's clear that Tron started to commit full efforts to build its DeFi ecosystem. Its DeFi is growing with strong momentum, connecting its lending, staking, fund management, trading, liquidity, and stable coin operations into an ecosystem-wide industry chain. As the industry moves forward, Tron, under the leadership of Justin, is set to take firm steps and will see another round of blossom shortly. Let's stay tuned. Wow, there's an email. Wow, to the mining. So where am I getting with all this? You see there, $450 million worth of rewards provided. Bitcoin, BitTorrent is really, really cheap right now, and I do see a similar parallel to Dogecoin. And I'm going all in on Tron. I will also purchase BitTorrent by next week. And wow, there's a lot going on. You have to get in on this early. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Do me one last, again, I'm repeating myself, hit the like button, subscribe, support my channel. I do need help. And there was a few points that I had in my video that I hope you picked up on. And stay tuned for further videos. Thank you for your time and watching my videos. Bye.